How to get free credit balance on Temu. Let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how can you get free credit balance on Temu using a super simple promo trick that Temu has running almost all the time. So navigate to the home page and at the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in claim credit. You'll be directed to this page. When you search that term, you'll be taken to a special promotion page where you can spin or draw to receive cashback bonuses. Sometimes you'll get 5% bonus, but if you draw again, you might get up to 50% bonus. So I have got up to $70 credit balance. If I pay now, I'm gonna get $55 in credit. So here's the most important part. After completing your order, you need to go back to claim credit section every day for the next 5 days. Each day you can earn an extra $2 to $3, which stacks up fast and can be used on anything in the store without restrictions. That's literally it. Free money just for using the app regularly. If this tutorial helped you out, please consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.